So are you someone who is planning to make a career into SAS or clinical SAS, but you're having 3 or 4 doubts? So the first doubt is there is high competition. Will I get the job or not? The second question you are getting, will I able to learn clinical SAS or not? The third question you are getting, it is taking a lot of time. Should I go for this career or what I should do? So I'll answer all of this question along with the solution. So let's go with the question first. There is high competition and a lot of people are learning or applying for a job. Will I get the job or not? So the answer for this question is yes, you can get it. So if you know, for gathering skills for this role, most of the people, they learn SAS software and they gather the project knowledge or clinical knowledge. But along with the SAS software and clinical knowledge, if you're learning R as well and if you're learning Python as well, that is an add-on for you. Okay, it will increase your chances. It will become another benchmark for you for getting selected in the interview, and there are much more chances the interviewer can select you because they have a valid reason. You have knowledge of multiple tools. Second question, is it difficult or easy to learn SAS, R and Python software along with the clinical knowledge? So the process is very easy. It totally depends upon your trainer. Okay, so the learning will start from the SAS part only. Okay, first you will be learning base SAS, then advanced SAS, then clinical SAS. Then the trainer will gradually move to R because R is the second major requirement, and then Python. Okay, so once you learn SAS language, it becomes very easy to learn R or Python. That you need to accept. There are few things, or there are most of the things which is common in each of the languages, the concept. The third question can be, the process is taking this much time. Should I pursue this as a career or not? Or should I pursue after getting some job, or I'll start later on instead of initial? So let me answer you straightly. If you are still studying, or if you have completed your studies and you are looking to gather some good skills, so yes, you can go for it. But what my suggestion is, either you are into education or you are studying yet, or you have completed, you are looking to gather some skill like clinical SAS. So you should learn it, but after learning, don't become totally dependent that I'll start my career with clinical SAS only. Once you complete your the clinical SAS training, either you learn along with the clinical SAS R and Python as well. After the training, you should start looking for jobs. It can be clinical SAS job, it can be any job related to your field. Once you get that job, after getting that job, you should immediately try looking for clinical SAS job. Let's suppose you got a job as an PV or CRC. Any job you got, let's suppose I'm assuming you are from B Pharmacy or Bio or any background. Whatever relevant job you are getting as per your education, you should take it. Once you are able to crack the interview, you can switch your profile easily from one job to another job. Okay, so the only time you need to contribute in this clinical SAS journey, that is the learning part. During the learning part, you should focus on this. You should able to give at least 3 hours of your day. I take sessions. That session will take 1 or 1.5 hour and another 1.5 or 2 hour max that is needed for the practice, because daily we have doubt discussion and these things, so you can easily learn. I have trained to multiple students who have done this along with their jobs. They are already into some jobs like PV or any other role, or different companies, totally different domain, and they learned it easily. The learning part is very smooth. So if you're facing this difficulty that the competition is high and these things are there, the only single solution is to gather little more skills. So along with SAS, you can learn R as well and Python as well, because if you're learning these tools, so you're out of the competition. You are having something else which is not present in other students. So the most of the people who are learning, they are learning only clinical SAS, only SAS software and the clinical knowledge. But a person with clinical and SAS software knowledge, if they are having R and Python knowledge as well, it is but obvious your chances will be high. And even I created a video for that long back when I launched a course, Clinical SAS 2.0 or Clinical SAS plus Data Science. Even you can go and have a look on that video. I'll give the link in the video description and in the iCards as well. I hope I am able to answer your questions and you can relate with this video. Thank you everyone, and bye bye everyone.